All right, today I'm going to be talking about the cone system I come up with for pallets of jobs getting ready to be fabricated. Before, the jobs were just all mixed and mingled on pallets. You had to spend 30-45 minutes going through each pallet to find your parts. And now the way I have it, each job is set up on its own pallet, and a cone color represents an employee here, so they know when they look over there, they can see their color cone and know that's their next job. Or if there's two over there, they know they've got their next two jobs, so that when they get done with one and carry it to QC, they can automatically grab another one and get back to the table. And it's showed to save 30 minutes to an hour looking for parts.